welcome to another video. In today's video, as you'll see from the title, is an epic, and I mean epic, friend mail video. Now, the lovely Sarah from Pumpkin's Nail Station offered to send me her Melody Susie e-file. Yeah, you heard it right. Melody Susie e-file. I was so excited. I was just so overwhelmed. I could not believe it. What an amazing, thoughtful girl to think of me with this e-file. I just felt totally overwhelmed. And me and Sarah did message before she sent this parcel, and she said about sending me a couple of DIY polygels. So that was what I was expecting to receive. So when the post lady turned up with a massive box in her arms, I thought, what on earth's this? So yeah, Sarah has kindly sent me so much stuff. And when I say so much stuff, I mean so much stuff. Also, guys, please ignore my nails because they are trashed. I've been doing some work on my car, and yeah, false nails working on the car does not go well together at all. I've always wondered why you don't see mechanics walking around with false nails on. I'm lying, really. I've got one more job left to do on my car, so I thought there's no point in me doing my nails until I've finished it. So that's what I'm going to do. So let's get started and show you everything that this girl sent me. Now, I think most of you already know Sarah anyway. I think most of you are already subscribed to Sarah's channel, but I'm still going to leave the link to Sarah's channel in the description box below, and I'll also pin it in the comments as well. She is such an amazing, sweet, thoughtful girl. Now, if you're not already sat down with a cup of tea, I suggest you press the pause button and go grab yourself a cuppa, because this is not going to be a short one, guys. Now, I'm going to try and get through it in one video, but I don't think it's going to happen. I think I'm going to have to split it, to be honest. But I am going to try, so I'll apologise now if it feels like I'm rushing through things. But like I say, I want to try and get this done in one video. I don't want it to be too long for you guys, but we'll see how it goes, yeah? So, let's get cracking, and I'll show you what she sent me. So I'm going to start off with the drill. The Melody Susie drill. Now, I have eyed this drill up for months, but never been able to afford it because it's certainly not a cheap drill, you know? Now look at that. Oh my god, oh my god. And it's a lot smaller than what I thought it was. I thought it was so much bigger. And when I took it out of the box, I thought, wow, it's gorgeous. It's diddy. Look at that. So I've not got a lot of storage space. So for me, this is a great size. Perfect. Love it. Look at the handpiece. It's just so... It just looks so professional, and it's not heavy, it's light. Yeah, I can't wait to get my nails off with this new drill. It's literally going to take me half the time, if not a quarter of the time, to take my nails off with this drill. So that is the drill, what I thought I was receiving. Right, I'm going to straighten you all up because I've made a bit of a pig's ear of this now. There we go, I think that's it. So next, she sent me some drill bits. You can never have enough drill bits. Now I use these to go underneath the nail. I use these ball bits to go around the cuticle. So I shall definitely get use out of these. Then she sent me some forms. These are the Modelones forms. Now, I've not tried these Modelones dual forms, so I can't wait to give them a go. I'm just getting into polygel, so you're going to be seeing a lot more Polygel designs coming from my channel. Yeah, I can't really explain what I want to do with these, but keep your eyes peeled and you shall see what I'm going to be doing with these. Then she sent me 4 stamping plates. Now, I struggle to buy stamping plates. I never know which ones to pick because there's that much choice, you know. There's so much choice, and I end up thinking, oh, I like that one, I like the design on that one, I like the design on that one, and I end up having about 30 in my basket on AliExpress. And I know they're cheap on AliExpress, but I certainly can't afford to buy 30 just because I like one design. So for Sarah to send me them and pick which ones she's going to send me is like great for me. So she sent me this one, which is BPL029. I hope I'm not blinding you guys. This one is L005. This one is BPL072. That's gorgeous. Look at the woman's face on there, look. I mean, never going to fit that on a nail, but still, it's beautiful. I like them little flowers as well on her cheeks. Super pretty. And then this one is BPL024. All flowers, gorgeous. I like these leaves as well, they're pretty. And these roses. Oh, I can't wait to have a go with this. I've only ever tried stamping about 3 times, and I'm going to have to do a lot more of it because I love how crisp it leaves the design looking. Then she has sent me some tweezers. We all need tweezers. And a gorgeous brush that is so soft. It's soft, but it's stiff enough to get rid of glitter, you know. Really pretty. I love these scales on it. Beautiful ombre. Love that. So pretty. Then she sent me some cuticle oil, which we all need cuticle oil every day. Don't forget to use your cuticle oil every day. Then she sent me silicone tool, always come in handy, and tip display stand. Now this is something that I really needed because I have got, where is it? Have I got it? I've got some nails on it, but it doesn't matter. I've got this tip display stand, and my camera wants to focus on the checkered pattern all the time. So I've been wanting one of these for ages. So that's going to come in proper handy, that. She sent me a nice stiff brush to get the glitter off. Now, I was only saying to someone recently that I wanted to get into doing dip nails. I wanted to do a lot of dip nail videos because I think a lot of people are going to be searching that at the moment, you know. A lot of people can't go and get their nails done at the salon, so they're doing them from home, and probably the easiest way is dip nails. So I said I wanted to try it. I've never tried it, and I wanted to do a video on it, or a few videos on it. And funny enough, Sarah has sent me loads of dip powders, and I mean loads. She sent me these ones, which them 2 are Azure, them 2 are Modelones. That one's Azure, love that blue. And that one's Modelones. Really nice colours they are, especially these nail bed colours. Especially that, I'd probably use that as a nail bed colour. Really like that. So she sent me them. I'm going to pop that up. Then she sent me some more dip powders. Then she sent me this EC Cosmetics dip powder. Nice pink colour. So this is the neon orange. I love that colour. That is going to be wicked for summer. Wicked summer colour, that. Then she sent me the black, which is 140. Then she sent me a Born Pretty white. That looks like a really nice white. I've never used dip powder before, so I don't know whether they come out to the true colour of the powder, but that looks like quite a milky white. I think that would look lovely as an ombre. So we've got the white, which is Born Pretty. It's called Sorrow Time. And then this one is Queen Fingers. Look at that purple. That is beautiful. Love that colour. Then she sent me an Azure Red. Can you believe what this girl has sent me? And I'm not even halfway through yet, guys. Not even halfway through. Then she sent me this blue. Now, I don't know... Oh, can you see the shimmer in that? Oh, I've only just noticed that. That is pretty. Oh, I can't wait to try this. Look at the shimmer, look at the shimmer. Yeah, love it. So I'm not sure what brand that one is. I can ask her and find out if she remembers. I shall pop it in the description box. So that's all the dip powders. So then she sent me the 3 liquids that go with it. And these are from Modelones. So you've got the number 1, which is the base, 2, which is the activator, and then 3, which is the gel top. So I'm pretty much good to go. I can start recording straight away. What a thoughtful girl. Such a thoughtful thing to do. I've asked her about these because I wasn't sure what these are, but she said they are Polygel, but they're in a pot. Pots of Polygel. And she said they were samples, what she got sent. Now, a couple of them I can't get undone, so I'm not going to show you that. So there's that colour, which is clear. Like sheer pink. This one is, again, translucent pink. Like a purpley, translucent purpley colour. These would be great for, you know, building the nail with. Perfect. That's clear as well. So there's that one, but I couldn't get that one undone, so I don't know what colour that one is. Now these are what I knew I was getting. We discussed this before she sent my parcel. And I said I wanted to get into doing polygel, but I wanted to do like some really cool polygel designs, you know, like block colouring, marbling and things like that. I just want to do something really different. So she said, well, I made some DIY polygels, and I remember watching the video and I'm doing this. And these are ideal for what I want them for. I mean, look at the brightness of that. Whoa. Yeah, cool. Cool. These are going to be great for colour blocking. Great. I think this one was a shimmery one. Yeah, it's got a little bit of a shimmer in it. Can you see that? Yeah, look at that. Hee. See, what I want these for, I'm not going to need a lot of them. And she said she's never going to use them. So I said, well, I will. I'll use everything. Nothing goes to waste with me. Then there's this. Look at that. Bright pink. It's actually showing a little bit darker on camera than what it actually is. It's more of a neon pink. Yes, kind of a neon pink. Really bright. Gorgeous. It's the only thing with polygel. Everything is sticky. Then the last one that she made is this beautiful purple colour. Look at the glittery bits in there, look. That is my favourite. That's definitely my favourite. Love that. Can't wait to give them a try. So these are going to be perfect for what I want them for. Perfect. We'll stick with polygels. We was talking about making these polygels, and she said you really need clear, and white as well is always a good colour to mix with. And I didn't have a white, so she's also, bless her, sent me a white, a 60-gram tube of white. God, I can't believe how much she sent me, and look how bright that white is. Wow, that is a bright. So that'll come in right handy when I come to mix my own, but it'll also come in handy when I do some French tips. Then she sent me this Mowbray Polygel in dark nude. Now I've not tried Mowbray yet. I've ordered some and I'm waiting for some to come. But I've heard really good things. Oh, I like that. It says dark nude, but it's actually a really nice. I would call it more of a light nude, not dark. That is just the sort of colour that I'm looking for nail beds. Perfect colour. And apparently these Mowbray Polygels are really, really opaque as well. So my next set, I'm going to be using that 100%. Then she sent me this Modelones light pink. What's this one like? That looks quite nice as well. Not so opaque as the Mowbray one, but still. Feels nice and soft. So I can't wait to try that. I'm running out of places to put things. Can you believe what this girl sent me? I still can't. I'm still shocked now. I still keep looking through it all and just thinking, wow, what a lovely thing to do. Now these are the, as far as I'm aware, they're Modelones, but they haven't got Modelones written on them. But I'm sure they're Modelones. Flower Fairy Gel, they're called. This is 003. And they're like a jelly gel look, but they've got little bits of dried flower in them. How cute are they? They just need a bit of a stir up. They've obviously been sat for a while. You give them a bit of a stir up and these look so pretty. I remember us swatching these. And I thought, I want some of them. And I never did get round to getting any. So that one is the blue, which is 003. Then you've got, that one's a yellow. I'm not going to open that, guys, because it's all sticky. 004. This one is 007. Looks like a... Oh my god. Look at them. How cute are they? That's like an orangey red, actually. Like an orangey red. Oh my god, it's everywhere. This one's red. Look at all the flowers in that, look. Yeah, that is so cool. So that one's red. Then we've got a green, which is 001. Then we've got another green, which is 008. So she sent me the whole collection of the Flower Fairy Gel, bless her. Thank you so, so much, chick. Thank you. I still can't believe how much you've sent me. I really can't. Feeling so spoiled, so spoiled. Right guys, I'm going to cut this off here and call this the end of part 1 because we're already over 19 minutes long, so I knew I weren't going to get through it in one video, I knew it. So if you've made it this far, thank you ever so much for watching. Although this video has been a bit of a long one, I really hope you still enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would. So don't forget to hit the little notification bell. That way you will never miss an upload. And I hope to see you in the next one. Don't forget to keep your eyes peeled for part 2, which I shall be putting out tomorrow. So I hope to see you there. Take care. Bye.